Okay, this video is going to go over slide transitions. And slide transitions are effects or animations that are added when your slides change from one slide to the next slide. So, for example, right now if I play my slideshow, okay, it looks like this. Here's my first, well, this is actually my second slide. When I click, it goes to my third slide and nothing interesting happens. There's no effects in between the slides. What we're going to do is put in transitions so that you see some effects between the slides. So transitions can be accessed here, and it can also be accessed from slides, change transition. Okay, so up here you'll notice there's a slide section and there's an animation section. This animation section we're going to use on another video, and this is animating the objects on your slide, not the parts in between the slides. So transitions, what you want to do is use the down arrow here, and you'll see there's several that are listed. You just click on it, adjust the speed that you want it to go, decide if you want to apply it to all slides or just this slide, and then you hit play so that you can see what it looks like. So that's what the dissolve one looks like. Okay, so I'm not going to go through them all, but you can just go down and look at the ones that are selected there or that show up there. Let me get my slide to open back up. This pinpoint slows me down sometimes. There we go. So you can use all of these and kind of see what they look like in between there. And I will switch over. You can tell that I've added a transition here because there's this little symbol over here by the slide. I'm going to come over here to this one. I'm going to add a transition in here too so that you can kind of see the difference when I run the slideshow. So I'm going to adjust the speed. I am not going to choose apply to all slides here because I want to have different ones. And play lets me see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to press stop here, and I'm going to close my animation window, and I'm going to present it just like we did earlier, but now you should be able to see when I click to go to the next slide, there's an effect happening. When I click to go to the next slide, there's an effect happening. Okay, so that's how you transition between slides. It's important, just like any type of animation on a presentation, you don't want to put so much in there that it distracts from your content. So don't overdo it. Just a few slide transitions are all you need, or maybe one or two throughout the entire presentation, but you don't want every single slide doing something different. It distracts from your message.